Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel again, another video on Amazon seller hack. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find a proper product for sale on Amazon with the good margin. Hot new release right here. So in hot new release 132 a month, so which is good. You want to be similar or close to 300. That would be a good price range, but don't forget these are new release. That means they've been in Amazon for not too long ago. Like this one is only started not a month ago. This one the same. So this is just a method. It doesn't have to be the item that you are looking at. I don't really try to show you the item, but I'm just showing a method. So and then pick one and then you go. Let's pick this one. So this one here, the reason why I picked this one, one thing I like to mention here, when you're looking for Amazon product, make sure you are just focusing mainly on something that is not electronics and not easy to break. So like bottle is not electronic, this one I would avoid. That's why I picked this one. And the price range, my always preferred price range is around 20 plus. So this one is above $23. So let's look at it. To find items, let's see what this is. This is just a knee brace, and everybody knows what knee brace is, and it's not a well-known brand. Probably it's generic brand. It says generic actually here. It's a generic brand. So what we want to do is see what is this selling. Is $23.99. So the price is not bad, and they just started selling not long ago, so almost a month ago, not even. So let's go and find just a copy the main keywords, like very generic keyword, and then we go to Alibaba and then we search for this. Let's see if we find the same item. Yeah, this is the one. Not this one, this one. Yep, this is exact one. So this is selling for $2.56, so which is good. Let's do the calculation on pricing and profit margin. So this is just a normal, the price we are going to be selling is this price of good, let's say $2.60. That's to be a little bit safe. And shipping, well, to Amazon I would put $1 just to be safe. Probably is not going to be that much. But look at the profitability. Net margin 50%. Net profit is $12. So this is a really good product. If you do the RIO, it's like 400+%. So to me this is a good product. It just, you have to do more research to see if the cost of good and everything is pretty much is what we want. Yeah, so I thought it's a good alternative to any tools, but I always suggest Helium 10 if you are planning to really seriously search and start your business. So you have to invest a little bit on the tools, but if you don't want to invest on tools, you can go ahead and just use this method or method that I share usually in this channel. So I hope you guys like that video. If so, please don't forget to like the video, share with your friends or whoever you think they might be interested, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Talk to you guys and see you guys later. Bye.